What components does the best $500 budget gaming PC build consist of? How do you need to set up your $500 gaming PC to be able to play Red Dead Redemption 2 and other new games on high settings? I'm Toby from GamingPcDealz.com, and in this video let's talk about how to build the best gaming PC with a budget of about $500. Now, the most important pieces of any powerful gaming PC build is a strong processor and an even better graphics card. So if we have to limit our budget to $500, the custom build that we want consists, in my opinion, of the following components. First, we want the Ryzen 5 1600. This powerful processor is absolutely amazing. It has 6 cores with up to 3.6 GHz per core, and it costs only $85. In all the important benchmarks, it's better than its counterparts. For example, its benchmark results are way better than those of an Intel i5 of 9th generation, even though this costs more than twice as much. So I think this is the best processor for our budget gaming computer setup. The mainboard we use is the Asus ASRock B450 Pro 4. It's one of the cheapest motherboards that also support AMD Ryzen CPUs. It has all the connectors and functions that we need. It's upgradable if you want to buy better components in the future, and I think we shouldn't invest in a more expensive motherboard because it will not make our PC build much faster. For the RAM, I recommend 2 4GB RAM blocks from Corsair. Gaming PCs generally don't need a lot of RAM, and 8GB of RAM is definitely enough. And I would suggest 2 RAM blocks because dual channel is faster in most applications compared to single channel. And since our motherboard has 4 RAM slots, we can still upgrade our setup later. For the flash memory in our $500 gaming PC, we use the super fast PNY CS900 SSD with 240GB. It contains enough space to install all the games you want to play. And if you think 240GB are not enough, you can easily buy an external HDD later. The power supply is the Power 9 system from the renowned manufacturer Be Quiet. Technically, the Power 9 system is stronger than the old Power 8 system and also offers DC-DC multi-rail and even an 80+ bronze certification while being very inexpensive. So now let's come to the most important component of any gaming PC build, the graphics card. For the most important component of our $500 gaming PC, we want to spend the majority of our budget. And here I think we should opt in for an AMD Radeon RX 580 with an insane 8GB GDDR5 and 1425 MHz. This graphics card has an absolutely awesome price-performance ratio. With the built-in XFX driver, it's a system optimized for gaming. It's super fast, and with this graphics card you will have no problems playing all the new resource-intense games. So yeah, again, at this price point, I think this should be our graphics card. However, in the end, all the components of our $500 gaming PC build are installed in a Corsair mid-tower gaming case. It has an elegant and modern design with a mesh-free front panel and enough space for all the parts. It also includes USB 3 ports, SSD support and up to 5 mounts plus one added 120mm fan. And of course, it's very cheap. Like always, you can find links to the components in the description under the video. If you like this video, I'm happy about your thumbs up or subscription. Leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback, and check out the other awesome content on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so very much for watching, and I see you in the next video.